Hey YouTube. Sorry I haven't posted any videos, guys. I've been sick. I've basically been dying in this bed right here. And on top of everything, I had to go to school this entire week. I had to wake up at 6 o'clock this entire week to go to school. And you know, it's just, oh my gosh, ridiculous. Yesterday, I couldn't even breathe. I was at my girlfriend's house, hey babe, and like these big ass hawkers. Well, I know you don't want to hear that. Yeah, you don't want to hear that. You don't want to hear that. I have to take this now. It's the aerosol machine. I have to take Zopanex. I gotta take Zopanex. And you know what Zopanex does to you? Zopanex clears out your airways and all that mumbo jumbo. And then on top of that, it makes you hyper, it makes you jittery. So last night, when I got here at like 12 o'clock, I was like, man, I'm gonna crash. But since I couldn't breathe, I had to take my medicine. So then I took the medicine, and then I couldn't go to sleep because I was like, I was like hyper. I had to be watching TV, and I was turning off the TV, trying to go to sleep, and I couldn't go to sleep. I just could not. I couldn't. I was too like jittery. So it was like 1:30, and I had to wake up at 6:07 because that's where I put my alarm. 6:07. I can never wake up like at a normal time, like 6 o'clock. No, it won't happen. 6:05, 6:10. No. Like for most of my like senior year, I woke up at like a 6:13 because it was just like a weird number to wake up on, and then I would wake up. But if I woke up, if I put my alarm like at 6:10, never would happen. I'd wake up like at 6:30, like, oh my god, what the hell happened? I'm just dying right now. As you can see, my voice is not 100% right now. Oh man, and I'm just like hot. Oh my god, he could boil an egg on my head right now. Boil an egg on my head? I'd say fry an egg. Scratch that. Tell me YouTube, tell me if you think this is a smart thing. Alright? Because I personally am pissed off. And I've heard like 2 or 3 more kids pissed off about it in school. So, okay, my class starts at 7, right? My class starts at 7 in the morning. Miami-Dade College. It's like take 10 minutes from my house, right? Drive to school. I'm tired. I get into class. It ends at 8:15. I'm writing down notes. Whatever. She tells us, go to the math lab. Remember, go to the math lab. You have to accumulate 32 hours in this semester. And I'm like, why? Why is this? Why do I have to accumulate 32 hours in this stupid math lab? And I'm going to tell you why it's so stupid. Because yesterday I went with my girlfriend. My first time going, and I had no idea what to do there. I waited for a computer for like half an hour. My girlfriend was done because she got there before me. I sit down at the computer, start typing away. Alright, I'll go to Course Compass because that's the website that I need to go on to do my homework at home. Which I've done more than half of it at home. So I'm sitting there just doing the homework. I'm like, okay, what's the point of this? What's the point of this? If I'm doing it here, what's the difference of me doing it here than me doing it at home? Just, oh my god, I get a headache just thinking about it. Because what's the point if they tell me that I have to go and do this 32-hour thing in this math lab? What's the point of it if I do all the homework at my house? What's the point? I want you to tell me what the point is, YouTube. I want you to tell me what the point is. Because if you have a logical explanation for why I have to do work in the math lab, why I have to accumulate 32 hours into this math lab, I would gladly appreciate it if you could tell me why. Oh, and a shout out to Philip DeFranco for you know, working out the other day. Good job. Keep it up. I gotta start working out too. I'm there with you, Phil, and you too, Shay Carl, but you haven't posted up any Shay Loss videos. Bad, Shay Carl. Bad. So, come on, Shay Carl. Shay Loss. And Phil, let's go, man. Keep up the running. Alright? See you guys later.